Hello and welcome to openHR's Advanced Tutorials. This is the 200 series where we'll be discussing advanced features of openHR. I'm Jake, and today I will show you how to manage your employee profile. Firstly, as you should know, to manage your employees, you can click on Employees. From here you'll have the option to view and edit the employees. I'm not going to edit immediately, I'm just going to view the employee. You can update the employee's profile picture by simply selecting a new one when hovering over the profile picture, selecting one and then saving. Let's now edit the profile and let me run in detail every field. You can provide the full names in the first field and your surname in the second. Next you will have your nature of person, which is most commonly person with ID or passport. Then you can enter the identity number of the employee. And you can also, if it's a foreign employee, provide the passport number and select the country where the passport was issued. You can enter the tax number. Next, I will enter the employee's cell phone number, which I will also use as the business number. There is an option for a fax, but not many people use those anymore. You can provide your email address, and for the next of kin, you can provide a name with number as well. This is mostly in order to provide the employer with an emergency contact. Then you can provide your address, and then with your postal address, you have the options of to copy the physical address or to enter a different street address, P.O. Box, private box, special service, or other postal service. I'm just going to say, copy my physical address. After that, you've got your demographics, which include your birthday. You can also select the statutory allowed and defined gender and race to assist with statutory submissions for larger companies. Then you can enter the employee's clothing sizes, which may assist companies that provide uniforms and safety clothing. Further on, you can select the employee's job, which is managed under Services, and then Jobs. There's a provision for an internal code for the companies that use those. You can provide the appointment date and pay frequency with the options as previously discussed with payslips. You get weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. The dates to and from on the payslips you can still change for periods how long you prefer. This just determines which batch the employee falls under. You can also terminate the person here and select the termination reason. Then you can enter the banking details as well. If the employee is paid cash, you can leave everything blank and just select cash under account type. The options for holder relation are own, joint, or third party, which will affect the holder's name. Lastly, add the medical aid member's quantity. If none, leave that blank. This will calculate the tax benefits for you. Also provided for you is to add the languages which the employee can speak. Once we save that, you will see the profile was updated immediately. The other tabs you have where you can create or edit those documents are the employee's advances, or commonly referred to as loans. The next tab is Expenses and Refunds, where you can also mark the refunds as paid. Then we have the Leave tab, which is followed by the Opening Balances tab. The tab after is the Pay Rates, and the next tab is the Payslips. Lastly, we have the Transgressions tab. All those documents can be created or managed from the Employee Profile page. Should you have missed the tutorial videos, please have a look at the 100 series videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video of the Advanced Employee Profile. See you again next time.